Hello friends, welcome in Takshila YouTube channel. Today's my subject is Sanskrit, Standard 9, chapter number 3, Param Nidhanam Kaha. Friends, Param means the best and Nidhanam means a treasure. Treasure means the khajana and Kaha means which is the best treasure. This is a question also and title also. So already you know about the King Bhoj. Already you have studied in your SS King Bhoj. King Bhoj lived in the 11th century AD in Malwa, known as the Madhya Pradesh to nowadays. So living in Dharanagar, he was very famous. Raja Bhoj was very intelligent person and he identified the people, those who are the learned or excellent person. So he was famous for these things. So many stories are written about the King Bhoj. So inspired by him, many modern writer also write a story by taking the character named the Bhoj. भोज का ऐसा कैरेक्टर भोज को लेके भी कई राइटर ने ऐसी स्टोरी बनाई हुई है और संस्कृत में एक कलेक्शन है तो उसको बोलते हैं भोज प्रबंध. So a collection of such stories in Sanskrit called Bhoj Prabandh is very well known. So in this there are many events related to Raja Bhoj are described here by using many verses with aesthetic poetical qualities. So friends, here also one story related to the King Bhoj, and here is only the conversation between the two person, King Bhoj and young person, means Bhoj and Yuvak. These both are the character of this chapter. Bhoj, as we know that he is a king of the Dharanagar, and Yuvak means the young person is a person who come from the different countries to meet this King Bhoj, and there is a conversation between both of them. Both wants to prove himself better than other, and at last when the subject of contentment में subject of satisfaction, संतोष का subject आ जाता है, विषय आ जाता है, तब ये जो conversation है automatically वहाँ stop हो जाता है. So according to the question of our title Param Nidhanam Kaha, so which is the best treasure? So Santosham Param Nidhanam, and in English we can say satisfaction or the contentment is the best treasure. So here is the conversation between the Bhoj and Yuvak, and it's a very good dialogues, and each and every means in each and every sentence we know something superior than the other person. Bhoj want to prove himself better than young person, and young person wants to prove himself better than the King Bhoj, and it is described in this chapter. And when the subject of satisfaction come, at last all the dialogues means all the conversation finish itself, and King Bhoj give respect to the young person who is really a intelligent person. So this is the story. Let's we start and read first in Sanskrit, and I explain you its translation also. Okay. भोजः नाम नृपतिः विद्याप्रियः कलाप्रियः प्रजाप्रियः च आसीत्. भोजः नाम, भोजः is the name of a king, namam is the name, nrupatihi means the king, Asita means was. There was a king named Bhoj. Asita means was. I told you earlier. Ta is the suffix of the past tense. Amvama, satam, ta, tatam, an. It's a past tense. Parasmay pad, anya purush, ekvachan. A is ahead. That's why it's a past tense. When we identify the past tense, first we have to see that prefix is a and suffix of the past tense. If both the things are there, so we can say it's a past tense. So asit is a past tense, parasmay pad, anya purush, ekvachan. So first we take this whole sentence like this: Bhojah nama nrupatihi asita. So there was a nrupatihi means a king named Bhoj. Asita means was. There was a king named Bhoj. How was he? विद्याप्रियः, कलाप्रियः, प्रजाप्रियः। विद्याप्रियः, प्रियः मीन्स द लवर, मीन्स उसको अच्छे लगते थे। विद्या प्रियः, ही इज़ अ लवर ऑफ द नॉलेज। नॉलेजेबल पर्सन उनको बहुत अच्छे लगते थे और नॉलेज को भी वो लव करते थे, तो ही वॉज अ लवर ऑफ द नॉलेज। कलाप्रियः, ही वॉज अ लवर ऑफ द art, and prajapriyah, and he was a lover of the citizen. So whole translation will be like this: there was a king Bhoj who was a king Bhoj who was a lover of knowledge, lover of art, and lover of citizen. Now second sentence: अतः तस्य राजसभायां दूरदेशात् अनेके विद्याविशारदाः पंडिताः समागच्छन्ति स्म। अतः सो तस्य राजसभायां, तस्य मीन्स हिज, राजसभायां इन हिज कोर्ट, सभायाम means the court and Raj means the royal. In his royal court, Duradeshat, Dur means far, Deshat means the country, from far of the country, Aneke means various, Vidya Visharadaha, Visharadaha means expert and Vidya means the knowledge, expert in many, expert of knowledge, and Panditaha means the scholars, Samagachanti Sma. Samagachanti Sma means came. Especially Samagachati means come, but when we add Sma, so it change into the past and that's why here came. So Samagachanti Sma is a past tense, Parasmai Pad, Anya Purush, Bahuvachan. Anti is the suffix of Anya Purush, Bahuvachan, that's why. Ataha, so in his royal court, Aneke Vidya Visharadaha means many expert of knowledge, and Panditaha means the scholar, came from far of the country. So, Atah means so, in his royal court, many expert of knowledge and scholar came from far of the country. So, many scholars come from the various countries to meet him, because each and every person know at that time कि he was the lover of the knowledge, art and the citizen. That's why every person, those who are the scholar and intelligent person, they came there to meet the king Bhoj. एकदा भोजः प्रसादस्य गवाक्षे उपविष्टः आसीत्. एकदा one day भोजः means the king Bhoj प्रासादस्य गवासे, prasad, friend, prasad means the palace and prasad only one standing line less, so its meaning change. Prasad means the grace, krupa, and prasad means the palace. So here prasadasya means of the पैलेस. गवाक्षे, गवाक्षे मीन्स द बालकनी, वो पैलेस होता है उसके आगे बालकनी होती है, उसके लिए संस्कृत में वर्ड है गवाक्षे, मीन्स इन द बालकनी ऑफ द पैलेस. उपविष्ट आसीत, ही वॉज स्टैंडिंग. वन डे बोज वॉज स्टैंडिंग इन द बालकनी ऑफ हिज पैलेस. पैलेस की जो बालकनी थी वहाँ खड़े थे. सह मार्गे एकम नवागंतुकम अनअभिज्ञम युवकम पश्यति. सह मीन्स ही, मार्गे मीन्स ऑन द वे, एकम मीन्स वन, नव आगंतुकम, नव मीन्स न्यू एंड आगंतुकम मीन्स अराइवल, न्यूली अराइवल. अनअभिज्ञम मीन्स द अननोन और द stranger. युवकम मीन्स द यंग पर्सन. पश्यति मीन्स सी. Pashyati is a verb here, ti is the suffix, that's why it's a present tense, parasmai pad, anya purush, ekvachan. Saha means he, on marge means on the way, he on the way, see a nav agantukam means newly arrival and unknown young person. When he was standing in the balcony of the palace at that time, what he saw? He see a one young person. But how was that young person? Newly arrival. अभी ही आया हो ऐसा, एंड अनअभिज्ञम मीन्स द अननोन, कभी पहले देखा नहीं था ऐसा पर्सन उन्होंने देखा. सो तस्य परिचयं ज्ञातुं सह तं प्रासादे आह्यति. Tasya means his, Parichayam Gnatum, to know about him. Gnatum, tum suffix is there, that's why it's a hetvarth krudan. So parichayam gnatum, to know about him. Saha means him. Tam prasade ahyati, prasade means the palace, ahyati means call. He called him in his palace to know about him. मीन्स ये अननोन और न्यूली अराइवल पर्सन कौन है ऐसा जानने के लिए उसको प्रासाद में बुलाया गया. ततः स्तयोः, when we disjoin this word, hapsa will change into the विसर्ग. so ततः तयोः मध्ये एवं वार्तालापं संजातः. ततः देन तयोः मध्ये between both of them, which both, भोज and युवक. एवं like this वार्तालापः means the conversation, संजातः means took place, means this type of conversation took place between both of them. This type of means whatever described here below, this type of conversation took place between both of them. A very interesting conversation, friends. You enjoy a lot like that. Bhojah said, if double dot is there, so said, Bhoja said, Bhavana kaha vartate. When he come in the palace at that time, first King Bhoj asked a question, Bhavana kaha. Bhavana means you, kaha means who, vartate means are. Who are you? Vartate is a present tense, आत्मनेपद, अन्य पुरुष एक वचन. ई वहे महे, से इथे द्वे, ते इथे अंते. ते इज द सफिक्स, दैट्स वाई आत्मनेपद, अन्य पुरुष एक वचन. Who are you? भोज आस्क फर्स्ट, who are you? युवक सेड, अहम घटपंडितः अस्मि. अहम मीन्स आई, घटपंडितः इज द नेम, सो घटपंडितः अस्मि मीन्स इज, आई एम अ घटपंडितः. भोज सेड, घटपंडितः किम नाम घटपंडितः इति. घटपंडित, ऐसे सरप्राइज हो गया, शॉक हो गया. घटपंडित मीन्स ऐसा कैसा नाम. किम नाम घटपंडितः, व्हाट इज दिस नेम घटपंडित, ऐसा कैसा नाम. तो अगेन ही आस्क टू टाइम कि घटपंडितः एंड किम नाम घटपंडितः, दिस विच टाइप ऑफ नेम घटपंडितः. युवक सेड, यथा ही एक्सप्लेन द मीनिंग ऑफ द this word Ghatpanditah. So what is the meaning of the Ghatpanditah? Remember this. Yatha, like, Ghate means in the pot, Paripurnam jalam tishtati. Pot is full, Paripurnam jalam tishtati, filled with the full water. As the pot filled with the full water means pot जो घड़ा होता है वो पानी से पूरा भरा होता है. तथैव like this मयि परिपूर्णम ज्ञानम वर्तते. परिपूर्णम means the full. I have full of knowledge. I am also full of knowledge. मैं भी knowledge से भरा हुआ हूँ. जैसे pot पानी का जो घड़ा होता है वो पानी से पूरा भरा होता है. लाइक दैट आई एम ऑल्सो फुल विद द नॉलेज. एज पॉट इज फुल विद द वाटर, लाइक दैट आई एम फुल विद द नॉलेज. अतः सो अहम, आई स्वात्मानं, माई सेल्फ, घटपंडितम मन्ये. सो आई बिलीव माई सेल्फ, मन्ये मीन्स बिलीव, सो आई बिलीव माई सेल्फ घटपंडित. So मन्ये is the present tense, आत्मनेपद, उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन. E is there. When E combined with the root verb, so it change into the matra. That's why मन्ये is a present tense, आत्मनेपद, उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन. अतः अहम स्वात्मानं घटपंडितं मन्ये. So I believe myself as the घट पंडित. क्योंकि आई एम फुल विद द नॉलेज एज पॉट इज फुल विद द water, that's why I believe myself as the घटपंडित. So by listening this answer, King Bhoj is very became very angry कि I am a king. Then also he is talking with me like this कि he only know all the knowledge, and he think this, King Bhoj thought these things कि young person is a very proudy person. So up to here we see in this video, and in next video we will see further. Thank you so much.